Hello, welcome to another beautiful day. So today we are going to be scraping a website. So basically what scraping means is getting information, extracting data from a website that necessarily does not give you an API to actually extract their data. So now you resort to scraping. So today we are going to be scraping a website called Jumia. Jumia is a Nigerian e-commerce website where you can it's like the biggest in Nigeria, Africa. So basically it's Christmas period. So let's look at what can we get during this Christmas period. Let's consider mm, shopping for clothes. Okay. Kids fashion. Let's consider kids fashion for example. So basically what we're going to be doing, we're going to be extracting the name of the item, also the previous price and then the present price. And also we extract a situation, maybe there is a discount before or there was no discount before. So like here we have 50% discount, or yes, we have 60% discount, and here we have 2% discount. So it enables us to know. Why we scrape sometimes is sometimes you are searching for a product, but you can't necessarily just be going through the whole pages for whatever reason. So that's basically why we scrape, and sometimes you just need the data somewhere so that you can use it to do whatever analysis you want to analyze, the data analyst, or for whatever use you want to use. Scraping is legal in as much as you're not scraping someone's personal data. So it's legal. So there's no one will arrest you. So for us to start, we are going to be installing some libraries. So we're going to click on our terminal. So we're going to be installing some libraries that will enable us to be able to script very well. So first we're installing requests. Requests. Then after requests, we would install beautiful soup for. Sorry. Sorry. So I already have requests on my system. So that's why it's already showing requirements already satisfied. So if you don't have, it's going to download the whole package and all, then at the end it tells you you're good to go. So now I'm going to also be install beautiful okay, sorry, beautiful soup for. So the requirement is also satisfied. uh, so now I just close it, just close my terminal, and then now I create a folder. So I create a folder. Let me rename the folder. Jumia SP. Okay. So now I open the folder. Then we open our notebook so that we can create our first. So let me rename it as Jumia. Also, Jumia site. Okay, so this is the website we want to scrape. This is the website, and this is the particular page we are looking at, which is the Jumia Kids Fashion URL. So this is the page we are trying to look at to extract all this data from it. We don't necessarily have the time to be looking at the whole pages and start looking at, okay, what's on something. We are busy. So what we need to do is, first we have to understand the page. Understanding the page, we come here to inspect the page. So we need to, for it to extract, we have to using the HTML aspect of the page is where we can extract the data from. Now, some websites, they don't put their data, their text data on, what do they call it, on their HTML. Some use their JavaScript also. So that is a challenge for Beautiful Soap. So in that one, we'll be using another scraper for that, those kind of websites. So all websites are not the same. You have to understand the structure of your website in order for you to be able to know how to extract. So because you extract Jumia website now through this method does not necessarily mean you'll be able to extract Conga method through it. But you can also try it for Conga though, but I'm just trying to make you understand. You have to understand the nature. So now, under this page, we notice that most each page like this, each item that is being uploaded on this site is under article. Here's the section. Section is the whole this. Then we go, it's under article. Article here, article class helps you like covers a whole item that is being sent into a particular a site, a whole, what do they call it, a whole image, a whole item that has been uploaded into for sale into the site is always coming as an article. So under the article, you're able to get the image, you're able to get the name, the price, and other information. So now for us to get the under this article now, this is the class name. This is the class name. You'll be conversant with the class name because that's what you'll be telling Beautiful Soap to use to get whatever information you need. Is under these class names that will make you understand that, okay, yes, because each site have a specific way they reference whatever products they want to reference, like the name, whatever text they want to embody. There's a way they normally put it. Some can put it as section, some can put it as whatever, but here we are using it as article. Here is article. So what we will do is we take note that, okay, each item is being input via article class PRD. Why? If you look at the name, under name for each item we have is under a div class called, sorry, under a div class called name. This is it for the name. So you see that if I put my mouse on any of the place, it highlights on the website referring a particular place. And also we have the price. So now if you see when I put it on the price, it actually highlighted both the former price and then the present price. But now if you click on this arrow down, it shows you this and it shows you this. So it shows you this and it shows you this. The main price and then still highlights it. Now for you to get this former price, you'll be using data OPRC. That is the reference for this former price. only. Then for you now to use the real price now, present price, which is now the PRC, which is stand for price. So this will be gotten. Yeah. So now you have to reference it. So as we are going on, you will notice them. For us to see the discount that has been added here is 50% discount. So this is 50% discount. So this is what we are going to use for this is discounts reference class BDG DC discounts DSCT on that div. So just take notes of all this. We'll be referencing it. So when we start, so now let's go back to